Hi, I'm Navin. Today we are going to discuss very hot topic, that is Google's recent updates. So they announced a few tools recently, few days back in Google I/O Summit. Okay, so mainly we are going to discuss about Antigravity 2.0. Google just killed Gemini CLI, but they have replaced it with something massive, Antigravity 2.0. For the last couple of years or months, if we wanted to build something with AI, just we were talking about cloud code or OpenAI's codex, right? But Google just dropped a tool that is like a bomb in your pocket. I mean, the tool that is like an entire AI software company sitting right inside your laptop, and how that is working in parallel with you, and how the subagents are working together, and what are the advantages of anti-gravity 2.0 and how many versions are there. So all those things we are going to discuss in this video. We will break down each and everything. Let me clear up the confusion between the previous initial version of anti-gravity and the current version of anti-gravity 2.0. The original anti-gravity launched back in November 2025 as a full-blown integrated development environment. It featured a dark interface with a code panel on the left, an editor in the center, and an AI chart on the right. It was a traditional IDE design that appealed to hardcore developers who wanted full control over their code, but it instantly scared off anyone who was not a professional programmer. Now, the latest version of Antigravity 2.0, Google entirely redesigned the experience and transforming it into a standalone desktop application for agentic development. Instead of an intimidating code editor, it looks like a clean, simple chat box. When you start a project, it creates a local folder on your computer, and the AI agent builds all the necessary files directly inside that folder without you needing to write a single line of code. Now let's talk about four phases of anti-gravity ecosystem. Why? Because different developers have different needs, right? So based on that, they split into a ecosystem of different four kind of options. First, Antigravity 2.0 desktop application. This is the user friendly UI where you guide the AI with prompts to build your projects. Now, the previous version of Antigravity IDE, the older style traditional IDE that Google is keeping around for developers who prefer to be in the driving seat and have manual control over their code. And third one is Antigravity CLI, command line interface, replacing the old Gemini CLI. This allows you to run anti-gravity directly inside your terminal or existing code editors like VS Code, Cursor, so and so. You just type AGY to start chatting with the agent. Anti-gravity SDK. This is a game changer for advanced users. Google gives you an access to the underlying code base, allowing you to build and customize your own AI agents. Now I will walk you through the key features of Antigravity 2.0. This is the new conversation section, and we can type here anything, just to generate something for me like that. And this is having the latest model, recently they have released. Here three modes we can select, and coming to actions, just these are the actions we can see here. And next, this is local and also new work tree we can select here, right? Coming to conversation history, yeah, these are the conversations recently we had. So this is the project. Yesterday I tried to create multi-agent AI travel planner, and the prompt is this. Just I have given some instructions and what are the APIs it has to use and all these things I have mentioned here. These are the Firebase, Firestore, and Gemini API, Google Maps platform. So all these things. Just these are the tools I have mentioned here, and it has created 11 agents, and these 11 agents coordinated with each other to create this application, right? And this is the project structure for backend and a front end. Yeah, some instructions it has given to me to add some Gemini API key and all. I have to verify still, and yeah, that is about this project section. And coming to scheduled tasks, so this is the place where we can schedule our task by clicking this new button, and we can select some name here, we can name it, and this is the project. And this is the daily, weekly, and custom and early we can select, we can schedule. This is the time we can select here, and after that we can give some prompt here. So for this project, just I can see I can give some prompt like this: please book a flight to Delhi if the price is below 5,000. So yeah, it will understand, and every day 9 o'clock it will run, and if this condition is satisfying, right, so automatically it will book my train. So that is what is happening here with this agents, multiple agents. Antigravity 2.0 is very clean and very simple. And here if you see, these are the settings we can see skills it is showing, and how much budget is available and all it is showing. This is the side panel. If we click on this, here we can see how many sub agents it has created, and these are the file changes we can see all these file changes here we can see, and these are the artifacts we can see here, and there is any background task we can see here. Yeah, that's it about this. And coming to installation, yeah, this is the page I have to navigate, and these are the products. Okay, 4 products, and this is the Antigravity 2.0 CLI, IDE, and SDK. If you go to Antigravity 2.0, this is the download option you can see here. If you click on this, yeah, you will get the Antigravity 2.0, and click on this CLI. Now this is the Antigravity CLI, you can install here. Just click on this install, and you will get commands for Mac OS and Windows OS, and this is IDE. Okay, you can download here IDE as well. And finally, this is SDK. This is the command you can hit in your terminal, and everything will be ready. Then you can start your coding. That's it. This is the installation process. So we discussed a lot of things here in this video. This Antigravity 2.0 is more helpful for business people, whoever is not having a knowledge on coding and all. So simply they can write some prompt and they can create immediately one application. So that is very helpful for them to showcase to the customers or to the investors. And coming to the developers also, it is very helpful. Why? Because we have SDK as well as CLI integration, and a lot of Google's ecosystem integrations they have provided, like Android, Firebase, so many things, right? So by using all these things, we can create any application in a couple of minutes. It is very awesome. And also, if you like this video, just hit a like button and subscribe for more videos like this on AI. And finally, just let me know in the comment section, are you going to use Antigravity IDE or Antigravity 2.0? Let me know. Thank you.